Hello, today I'm going to teach you about Kaplan turbine. So this is a top view sketch of a Kaplan turbine. So Kaplan turbine is a reaction flow turbine. The water flows axially. It is a turbine consisting of low head where large quantity of water is required, and it's run high specific speed. Now, I like to explain one by one why it is called as reaction flow turbine. Because the water, when flows from the penstock, the water is of high pressure energy and high kinetic energy. But as the water gets into the guide vanes, the pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy, which makes the movement of this runner blade to rotate. So you can see the hydraulic energy is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy makes the runner blade to rotate, which is mounted on a shaft, which when rotated is coupled to electric generator, generates electricity. So the whole of the process, hydraulic energy converted into kinetic energy into mechanical energy to, uh, for the supply of electricity. So this is how the principle of your Kaplan turbine works. Now, so here you can see the top view of a Kaplan turbine. As for the construction part, I will explain you. This is your spiral casing. So through here, the water flows from a penstock with high pressure energy and kinetic energy. As the water starts flowing, you can see the area of the flow goes on decreasing. You can see the spiral case, the area of the flow goes on decreasing. As the area of the flow goes, area of the, not the flow, I'm sorry, the area of the casing goes on decreasing. What will happen? The velocity of the flow is constant and the quantity of the flow is also keeps on changing. Now, as per the process, as the water gets into from the penstock into the spiral casing, there are many guide blades here. You can see these are all guide blades. So you can see the water is flowing. So the guide blades guides the direction of the flow. The guide blade, the work of the guide blade is to give the direction of the flow of the water flowing through the spiral casing. So you can see I have shown you blue colored. So where the water is made to flow to the runner blade. So the water from here is like a what you say, so like a round shape. It goes like a whirlpool. I was not getting the correct word. Like a whirlpool, the water starts flowing inside the spiral casing, whereas the guide blades give the direction of the flow. So here now what happens? High pressure energy is made to flow. Pressure plus kinetic energy is made to flow. It flows through it. The guide blade gives the direction of the flow of water, and it flows through this runner blade. So you can see there are only 6 to 8 runner blades in a Kaplan turbine, which is mounted on a runner wheel. So this is a runner wheel onto which runner blades are. This red color is the runner blades mounted on it. So when it moves on, it generates a kinetic energy to the runner blade. So the pressure energy is been converted into kinetic energy, which so when the runner blades move, which is mounted the runner wheel rotates, which is mounted on a shaft, it rotates, which when coupled to the electric generator generates electricity. Now main thing, as the water flows, you can see the water flowing, the guide will give the direction or guides the water to flow. Then it flows around the runner blade, which imparts a motion to the runner, and the water flows axially. This axial in the sense moves it moves perpendicular, it moves along this axis. So the water, which after rotation of the runner blade, the water flows axially and made to flow through the drafting. So this is a working principle. You can see the shape of the drafting tube. The area goes on increasing at its end, because as the area goes on increasing, pressure goes on increasing and the velocity of flow goes on decreasing. This water from the draft tube is made to flow again back to the reservoir. So this was the working or the principle behind Kaplan turbine. Kaplan turbine, I have written here popular turbine. Now, what is this popular turbine? As I told you, this Kaplan turbine is an axial flow action flow turbine. Reaction flow turbine two types as Kaplan turbine and propeller turbine. Propeller turbines are mainly used in ships, but here the runner blades are not. Runner vanes are not adjustable, whereas for Kaplan turbine the runner vanes are adjustable. So this is how the working process goes. Hope you understood. The term axial means as the water flows axially, flows here. So this is a shaft, the water flows from here, it moves here through the draft. So hope you have understood. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So my next video will be on pumps, and more video I like to explain again once again like this explanation I would like to do for Francis turbine and Pelton-Will turbine. Hope you understood the concept of Kaplan turbine. I hope to come with more videos like this. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.